day. It's Wednesday. We have not done anything else but drive today. So there have not been anything to film or I was when I had a break, I was out and take some photos. I will show them in the movie, or some of them. And now I'm standing Myklegård. It's nearby Elverum in Norway. I will go in and buy me a big hamburger. I'm so hungry. I'm really starving. And tomorrow I will start pretty early and load a few boxes in Oslo, and then go to the ferry in Larvik that will take me to Denmark. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Now we're passing a big control place called Hirtshals. There are very often controls here. Luckily for me, it was closed today. This morning, I have not cheated, so it was. I was not so afraid, but it takes time, and time is one thing that we truckers very rarely have good off. Yeah, you understand what I mean. Today it's midsummer. It's a very big holiday in Sweden. We used to celebrate with friends and family, and we have something we eat. I think the English word is herring and potatoes, and I say crème fraîche. It's not crème fraîche. And onion. But this year I am in the track. I'm in Norway, on my way to Denmark. It feels hard to not be with my lovely girlfriend and daughter. But it's just the way it is. We know it, both my girlfriend and I, that this happens from time to time, that I'm not home certain holidays or something we will celebrate, and so. But it's tough. It feels tough for me to not be at home. But tomorrow is a regular day. Everybody's having a big hangover and regret things they did the day before. I am fresh. I'm in Denmark tomorrow. And the life will go on anyway. And now we sit and wait in Frogner in Oslo at headquarters for Thermotransit. We're waiting for some papers from the food department in Norway that we have to bring to Denmark. So as usual, it's just waiting. This is how it looks like here. Not much to see, but at least we will have some good food on the ferry tonight. I think it will be. I hope it will be some good midsummer food, but I don't think so. I will eat shrimps and seafood, I think, the nannies. Okay, so there is not much happening here. Yeah. Bye. Fan är den. And now we are in Larvik waiting for the ferry. I will try to film a bit on the ferry. And finally we get some good food to eat. I'm so starving. But I think it's about 1 hour. 1 hour to wait before the ferry goes. And then we see what's happened. This is the cabin on the ferry. Now we are in Denmark, in Hirtshals. I forgot the camera in the cabin, so I couldn't film anything on the ferry. I got a shower and good food, and now it's time to sleep. I will stand here for 45 hours. I will go to a place called Lemvig on Sunday evening. So I don't know if I'm gonna publish something on Sunday, because it's happens nothing here. Well, maybe I will see if I can come up with something. And I'm sorry for the bad editing and the clumsy way of doing this, but I can't do it better with my phone. It will be better when I get my computer. Here is what it looks like. It's a big trailer park here. So time to sleep. Good night. And if you don't already subscribe, please do subscribe on my channel. Bye.